Hop into the 2019 Ford Escape. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this comfortable and capable Escape. This compact SUV is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains, so you can relax and enjoy its comfortable, responsive ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Feel relaxed and confident in this capable, comfortable Escape. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.